Hi, so we're talking on 10.7 about writing the equation of the circle. There are two bits of information you're looking at. First, they're going to give you a center, which they call HK, just as a generic little form of, it's the same as your XY and your ordered pair. They just call it HK because in the formula it's called HK, and you need an R, which is a radius. The formula states that, and this is a formula on the formula sheet, that x minus squared plus y minus k squared equals my radius squared. That's the formula for the standard form of an equation of a circle. So with that, they give you an ordered pair like 2, -1, and they say that that's the center of the circle. Then they tell you that the circle has a radius that equals 2. All you have to do is plug into the formula. Now here, the x minus is the same as it always is. The h right here is the x right there, which is the x right there. Then you have the squared, which is part of the formula, plus y, part of the formula, minus, you come back up here and you say, okay, the k right here is the y right there, so it's minus that -1, and then just back to the square, and then I need my radius squared. And the only way you're really going to simplify this is x minus 2 squared, he will not simplify, plus y plus 1, because it's minus a negative squared, equals my 4. So let's look at one more. Okay, it says my center